welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja, for those of you stopping by for the very first time. Today's DIY is something that I am excited to use for fall, but it's not necessarily a fall DIY. It will be, I like creating pieces that I can use throughout the whole year and customize them for each season. So this is pretty much the piece that I am making. Well, actually it's two pieces, but it's a set, I guess. And it's 100% Pinterest inspired, which is also the purpose of this video. It is a challenge that I put out as part of my monthly DIY challenge, but the theme was Pinterest inspired. It could have been a fall decor, it could have been anything really that inspired you on Pinterest and you wanted to recreate it. So I asked everybody to do so, and also they needed to show me their inspiration. So here is mine. As you can see, I will be recreating those two pieces. Now my hooks are similar, but they're not the same, but I think they will work nevertheless, because I could not find hooks exactly the same, and I'm pretty sure I am using smaller mason jars. But other than that, I think it's gonna look pretty close to the piece. So I have these boards. It was actually one board. I just cut it into two that I will be using. So mason jars, I am going to use any Sloan chalk paint, some jute rope, the two hangers. These have actually come from Dollarama. The rest of the stuff I had on hand. And I'm going to spray paint these and paint these. I'm going to spray paint them with my spray paint. I just have to go find it. Funny thing, I actually put it where it should go. So this is the chalk paint by Rust-Oleum in charcoal, and I'm going to spray paint these just because I don't want them to be shiny. And then you will need hot glue and paint brushes. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paint these so that way they have some time to dry. Oh yeah, and I will use some fall greenery to decorate them, but you can use any, doesn't have to be fall. So as I mentioned, this video is part of a challenge that I had put out, so make sure you check out the playlist, which will be linked down below, for all your Pinterest inspired DIYs, because I'm predicting there's gonna be quite a bit of them. And if you are joining me on this challenge, thank you so much. I hope you had fun recreating something for your home. And I will be sharing all of my upcoming challenge invites, collaborations in upcoming week or so. And there is going to be tons of stuff that I am bringing to you for this fall season. So I think I like this, just how rough it looks. I'm not going to be adding any more paint. I'm just going to let that dry. Just a light coat. I like how rustic that ends up looking. There we go. So I'm going to set those off to a side, let them dry, and I'm going to spray paint these now. Okay, and I'm going to let these dry as well. So these had dried somewhat, but enough for me to add my rope. And as I've been mentioning in a lot of my videos, I have recently taken my main channel and separated it into three. I have a home channel, which it's all cleaning and decorating. So a lot of my DIYs are showcased on that channel. So make sure you check it out to see how I'm using all the things that I create in my to decorate my home. I am looking forward to all the clean and decorate videos coming, and my home tour will be on that channel as well for fall. And I also have a cooking channel, and I will have tons of fall recipes for dessert, dinner ideas, just plain recipe sharing. So make sure, if you like to cook and you like different stuff, make sure you check out that channel as well. So I'm just measuring approximately where this thing's gonna hang, and I want to cut off a rope that's long enough for that, for hanging. So I'm going to add some hot glue right there, kind of right in the middle. Same idea on the other side. And now I'm going to take more rope and just wrap it around, starting at the bottom. So my friend was watching my videos and ended up getting me some of these, so I'm going to try and use these, see how that works out. So there, I'm gonna do the same thing for the other one. Probably need a glove, not just the finger covers. So next up, I'm going to put the hangers up, the little hooks up. Now I don't have a nail that is that works, and I noticed that the hooks that I was supposed to attach them are gone because I've had those for a while. So I'm just going to hot glue them. I do, however, suggest you do put some sort of a screw or a more permanent glue to hold them in place. I'm going to hot glue them for now, and once I get the screws, I will try and screw them in. So these are dry enough for me to glue them, and I am just measuring out so I have them at an even height. And they're flat on the back, so they are fairly easy. They should be fairly easy. Make sure you're centered. So I'm going to let the glue dry, which shouldn't take very long. So I have added this hay into here, and I'm going to just hang it up. I hope I got this rope long enough. So I'm going to add a touch of hot glue just on the tip here, and then go, and I'm gonna repeat the same thing for this one. But as much as I wanted to show you what this would look like with this, I'm just going to remove these out and glue it because I don't want any of the hay to get glued. Like I said, you can add this with the permanent glue too. I just change my mind and redo things so many times that if I can get away without it being permanent, I will. So I'm going to show you what it looks like with the hay once this is dry. So here they are. I think they look stunning, and if I add some hooks on the back, I can hang them on the wall and change out the greenery inside for seasons or to match the decor in the room that I'm putting them into. I would like to thank everybody that had joined me in this challenge, and those of you watching, make sure you check out the playlist linked down below. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.